In this video, I want to give some shout out tips. But before I do that, I want to show you how to find the top Instagram influencers. And it's actually pretty simple. You could do it the manual way by going on Google and typing in top Instagram influencers. If you want to find influencers in certain niches or in certain topics, you could just type in top, fill in the blank, Instagram influencers. So for example, you could type in top weight loss Instagram influencers. Now, another great tool is Shoutcart.com. And this is a network where you could find thousands of influencers. But not only that, it allows you to buy shoutouts on that site. And they don't give your money to the influencer until they've done the shoutout. Okay. Now, in terms of giving the shoutout, most people will do a 24-hour shoutout. But shoutouts are usually only effective for about 2 hours because engagement drops after the first 2 hours. So try to buy only 2-hour shoutouts as you'll save more money. Now, if an influencer doesn't want to give you a 2-hour shoutout, you can try asking them to split your shoutouts into smaller ones that total 24 hours if that's what they're asking for. Or if they're asking for a 10-hour shoutout, you can ask for 5 2-hour shoutouts. So every time your shoutout gets posted, it gets boosted back to the top of the engagement feed. Now, you also want to ask influencers to not post your shoutout immediately after their story posts, because many people will drop off after story posts and will not pay attention to the shoutouts. Okay, and lastly, try to negotiate the shoutout price. A shoutout price that I recommend paying is anywhere between $10 and $40. And then if $40 is what they want, I try to bring it down to around $30 or $25 if I can.